So, all over social media, we've seen so many different cabbage dishes, right? I've seen the garlic parm cabbage wedge. I've seen the seafood boil cabbage wedge. Smothered cabbage with shrimp, sausage. I've seen dirty cabbage, which is like dirty rice, but instead of rice, it's cabbage. I'm sure they're all good. But the seafood boil cabbage wedge is the one that caught my attention, and I just thought to myself, like, okay, it looks good, but the cabbage is not cut. So once you peel off the first 3 or 4 layers, I'm pretty sure there's no more flavor, no more of the garlic, the seasonings, the juice. I'm pretty sure it's nothing. It tastes like nothing. I came up with a way to do this cabbage seafood boil. I've done it for Christmas. My family love it. And I will have the full recipe in the description. Now, like I said, this is very easy, okay? Few ingredients, all right, more than a few, but it's not hard. So, I'm gonna add a couple of pieces of butter. Then, we're gonna add our smoked sausage. Go ahead and brown those up real quick. Get them nice and brown. Now that we have our sausage brown, I'm gonna add another piece of butter in here. Like, you wanna kind of like par cook your sausage, your shrimp, your red potatoes. That's kind of important. You can't cook these in this without, y'all know how to boil potatoes. Add our shrimp. Now, I'm not gonna fully cook these. You don't want them to be overcooked because once I add the seasonings and I cook down my onions and everything, I add the cabbage, cook that down some. I'm gonna throw everything back in and let that cook for about 3 to 5 more minutes. These are perfect. Let's hurry up and get these up out of here. Now let's cook down our onions. As you can see, I'm using butter for everything. Let's cook down our onions. Let me know in the comments, would y'all add boiled eggs to this? Now that we cooked our onions down a little bit, now we're gonna add the rest of this butter. And I know y'all like, nigga, this shit look hard. No, it's not. Let's add our minced garlic. This is about 10 to 12 cloves minced. Add some lemon juice. Let's add our seasonings. We have Old Bay, Chicken Bullion, Cayenne Pepper, Smoked Paprika, chili powder, and onion powder. Now, let's add our cabbage. This shit about to be fire. Now that we've cooked our cabbage down a little bit, let's add our shrimp back in, our sausage, our corn, and our potatoes. Fire. I'm telling you, you will not eat cabbage the same way ever again. This is the only way she'll eat cabbage.
I eat cabbage regular. I don't eat cabbage around you because I don't got time for you judging me. Wanna know how I used to eat my cabbage?
How?
With sugar. That shit fire.
People put sugar in spaghetti.
Sugar on cabbage is delicious. Y'all know what I'm here for. Sausage. Daddy, would you like some sausage? He's waiting for me to put hot food in my mouth. I fucks with this. I like seafood boil, but I don't like fighting with my food. So when he made this, I was like, this is right up my alley. It's like cabbage on crack. Would you make it like, with just like
corn?
Yeah, off the cob.
In the sauce?
I don't like biting with my front teeth. So like apple. That's why you think you don't see me eat corn?
Look at that.
You gotta do it with sweet corn too. Have to. Don't do regular corn.
So last episode, you was all in my business. What you been up to?
Nothing.
Just following me around.
Nah, I didn't say all that. See how he be trying to play me? He be following me around.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
How?
You know, just kids, work, you know, being a good wife. About to start some new shit though.
What?
Podcast.
Sipping Paint coming in February.
Sipping Paint, February, LA.
I told you this is probably my favorite way of eating cabbage. We've done so many remixes to cabbage on social media. I feel like this one is the best one. It has the most flavor. It has anything with Cajun style, anything, I want it. Recipe in the description. If you want it to taste just like this, just follow the directions. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My nigga, enjoy.